What's up, everybody? Good morning. How are you doing? We got a blizzard out here today. 45 out yesterday. Fucking blizzard out today. Well, that's how it works. So, luckily, both calls are inside. That call with that rack system where it was flat and they had the other company come out. I guess they came out, they found the leak, fixed the leak in the ceiling on their Zoom lock fitting, but they never recharged it or pulled the vacuum. They just fixed the leak. So that's what the guy told me. I was like, so they left your cooler down, a 4-door cooler filled? He's like, yeah. I'm like, all right. He's like, you come out here, this was last night. Can you come here today to refill it? And I was like, wait, you need me to refill it after they were just there? I'm like, yo, I'm so confused. I'll be by tomorrow to see what's up. And I got another one for like a big ass glycol chiller bath thing. It's for a fucking bunch of lines in a restaurant, but it's kind of a weird older system. So, anyways, let's get around there and see what we can find. All right. This guy. All right. The coils over here. Yeah. That guy cleaned out. See how much dirt comes out of that thing. That shit. Pretty good amount of dust. So usually this thing will ice up pretty good. It hasn't been icing up inside the barrel or the tank, whatever the fuck you want to call it. So clean and then we check. That trip's done. Bam. Some blackjack. Some cake. Yeah. That shit's super dirty. I like to spray it up and down. If you go this way, it doesn't get in there. But if you go like this, it seems to get in there a lot better. Oh yeah, good stuff. It's nice. It came up, not running. Perfect. I love it. Alright, let that sit. And then we'll rinse her off. Alright, so yeah, I cleaned that thing out. Running like a champ. Easy peasy. Then this rooftop unit wasn't working either. So bad control board. It said it had a open high limit switch. It was ice cold, so I tapped it a few times, got it to read. So you'd think it's open high limit, but it wasn't, and the board kept saying high limit, so I jumped it out, cut the wires, wire nutted them together just for a second. Don't ever leave it like that. That's not cool. And the motherfucking board was still saying open limit, so I tapped on the board a few times. Customer was right there, and then it fired right up. So he's like, new control board and a switch, huh? I'm like, bam, baby. I like customers like that. Like, they understand, they know what's up, shit breaks, and just replace, like, everything that you need instead of doing, like, one thing. Like, well, it's just the board, right? Yeah, he's probably do the switch, too. It's like a $10 switch, bro. So, anyways, I'm gonna go see what's up with this recharge unit that this company fixed, this line set, but they didn't, like, recharge the unit. I'm so confused. Who the fuck would do that? I don't know. Alright, so I got the scoop. The other company came out, and they said they're not gonna fix it. They installed it. What? So anyways, long story short, he had his maintenance guy find and fix the leak. It was in the wall behind the case. They had to cut holes all over the restaurant where the fucking piping was sealed up in the drywall. Yeah. So anyways, I just gotta pull a vacuum and charge it. So that's why I was like, I'm missing something here, something crazy. Why would? So they said they won't fix it. They won't warranty any of their work. I'm like, so see, I'll be back here for more Zoom lock fitting fucking bullshit. Anyways, let's get in here and pull a vacuum and charge this thing up.
So yeah, we found it really easy when we tried that together.
How do you know it was there? Did you punch over it behind you?
He just played like a little long way from the wall, right? So there's no fingers there, right?
Right.
So he kept the bottom out. It's on the top.
So you guys just found down like an inspection looking. It's not like you guys.
Yeah.
Oh man.
So he was like, well, you know, there's an elbow at the top, right?
Oh yeah.
And he goes down the wall. So it's not going to be a big
No,
right?
yeah.
So he was cutting at the bottom. There was fiberglass insulation in there. This is it.
I'm glad that you at least found it. Or like, whatever. You were there, whoever.
Yeah.
I was there. Like, it's fucking insane.
So they put us to do the job or come back out of it without gravel at $5,000. It was like 40 something.
It's their shit!
They're like, well, past 1 hour.
Okay, I'm not sure this was me. You gotta work with somebody on that.
Past 1 year, and they're like, you scared like it.
Oh, well.
I don't know. Yeah.
Yeah, they usually mail it to them and then they can stand in line in your office.
I was like,
Like I said, that hard pipe works pretty good. But that soft pipe, it just doesn't.
that wasn't, it was like,
And if you hear it,
what I didn't like about this here, 3,500, but for the labor, it doesn't tell me like hourly rate or how many hours. When they get down to 47,
that's insane. It's
almost $5,000 in a about that.
I look pretty good then. I'm doing pretty good.
No,
It's good. No, I got we're in a position after this. Man. Cool. That's right. Well, good. I'm glad.
I don't think they didn't put like 20 hours or anything.
That's crazy. Realistically, I mean, you saw how fast I work.
I was like, I'm like $1,000. I was like,
Dude, you literally fix your fucking mistake.
Yeah.
And juice.
oh, nice.
Yeah.
You too? Oh,
Yeah,
sorry.
yeah. No, you're good. I do that.
That's good. I watch a lot of that shit, so I just like, yeah, okay. That's awesome. Nice. Get it up there. Get some supplement.
It makes me better when I put in my work.
I got it. And people comment on it, and they still try to get some shit. Hey, let's do it. Yeah.
Because soon I go to that thing about like this,
Dude, anything I looked on YouTube, there was a one comment that like those things are like scam. Everyone's like, yeah, give it 6 months, give it 2 years.
Everyone's wrong opinion. I like both of them.
You can use it on any car.
You can. However, this is what paying that.
Yeah.
If you raise it, you don't need to worry about it. There's a wall. Raise the wall. This shit where you can see me. Then that makes more sense. But
Yeah, but where you can't see shit.
yeah, dude. For sure. That detectors didn't even go on. Raise it.
It was almost all the way at the other end, like behind the cooler. And like,
It's just weird though. Well, either way, who knows how that was even out of the
but yeah, there's nothing left to detect too. You know?
Well, good.
Awesome. I'll send you way back to work.
You'll be up and running very shortly. Thanks, dude. Fuck yeah. That's crazy. 4,700 they wanted to charge him to fix their fucking mistake. Hold on a second. I gotta get up here. $4,700. Are you fucking kidding me? That is fucking insane. That's crazy. Where am I at? Here we go. Yeah, they wanted to charge him $4,700. I saw the bill to fix that fucking leak after they found it. Like the other company didn't find the leak, they found it just cutting holes in the restaurant. Oh my god, that's fucking. Why is it running then? Let's see what's going on. Ready? New hoses. It don't fit. Let me go get my. He said it's crazy as fuck. So, dude said that they left nitro in it and it's not running. It's literally running. So I don't know what the fuck is going on here. So we're just gonna we don't have to pull a vacuum, I guess. Just gonna dump some 448 in it if I can call it a day. So, yeah. Interesting. Very interesting. Alright. Let's go get a hose that'll work now, because that's fucking retarded. Jesus. I started adding some gas and it immediately tripped the fucking high head pressure. So, yeah, super weird. I'm gonna go upstairs see what the fuck's going on, because that thing he said shouldn't have been running, which it was. So are we pumping nitrogen? I don't know. I'm confused. I'm so confused. Literally. So confused. The box is at like 40. Which is not bad. So, but the thermostat was set to like -10, so this thing should have been on and calling. And I have no pressure coming around. Nothing. What? This is retarded. I hate cleaning up other people's bullshit. That's all I'm like, yeah, something fucked up. What's going on here? What the fuck, man? I don't know, fuck. This is so trippy. Alright, I got to the solenoid. Alright, so we got power. It's magnetized. For sure. We ain't feeding shit around. I wonder if this fucking TFE's jammed shut. What is going on here? What the fuck? Hold on a second. Let me see what's going on here. Look, it's just like fucking jammed in there. Hold on a second. I'm trying to get it out without fucking. Look at that. Wow. Holy fuck, these guys suck. Oh, what is this other one too then? That's crazy. What does that go to? I mean, that should probably be on the suction line. Doesn't make sense why we're not feeding pressure though. Let me try to put my magnet on this thing because this is retarded. It's either this or this motherfucker. As you can see where somebody already played with it. And that needs to go back on. This is fucking crazy, dude. Alright, get the magnet on. Screwdriver in there so we don't burn out the coil. What in the fucking dildo fuck, dude? This is retarded. Did I leave my service wrench up there? Probably. That's fucking great. Try to open it up. Oh, it's opened up all the fucking way. Figures. Alright. Let's try to play with it back and forth. Nothing wants to